Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the intense action that unfolded in Banknifty. Although I didn't trade at 9 o'clock, just came in because of Gauri Ganesha festival. I did not trade today, and when I just came in, I was surprised. To my surprise, the Bank Nifty had fallen around 500 points, approximately 500 points. End to end, it could be 600 points, but however, it is taken as 500 points. We saw a sharp decline, a very sharp decline, as you see here. A very sharp decline, as you see here. And there was a point of reversal, little bit around 100 points of reversal, and again the market came in. You can see the pattern here, N pattern, and that is how the institutions and other people will play. And you can see the daily chart here. What you're seeing here is the daily chart. You can see when the market opened here, it went up till 51,680, and then it dropped like a stone. That was a waterfall effect there. And as you can see on the daily chart, there are not big buy orders, which is clearly indicative that the market is not on the buying side. You can see big orders, 1019, 570, 1300, all big orders on the selling side. The selling cart is 20,000, and in the morning it was 35,000, and the buying cart is only 440. Even now, the trend is on the downside and not on the upside. Using detailed chart review, we will cover the story behind the numbers and explain how aggressive selling pressure, liquidity breakdowns, and delta imbalances impacted the market fall. That in today's trading, whether you are a trader or an investor looking to sharpen your skills, or someone curious to know about the market's inner working pattern, this is the right channel for you, and kindly subscribe and like the video so that it will reach more people. Now let's get inside the charts. Now I will shift to the daily chart. 5-minute chart. You can see the time here. This is the line break, and the market opened somewhere here, signaling a bearish sentiment across the banking sector from order flow analysis. See the market, you can see at the zero zones here. You can see the zero zones here. And it was driven by aggressive selling activity. You can see 400 number, 155, and the direct first thing what we have to see is the cart. The cart is on the selling side, and it was huge. Usually we wait for the first candle to close, and what will happen in the second candle? There should be a slight reversal, and that is what happened in the first candle. The first candle came down like this, went up like this and came down like this. It is usually the N pattern which is followed most of the time. Lower highs, lower lows. That is the pattern that is followed today. Lower highs, lower lows. This is one high, this is one high, and now I think it is going sideways. Again, this point, what line we have drawn yesterday or a couple of days back, will act as support and resistance level. So you should be very careful while watching, while drawing these lines. You cannot put the lines simply at any point. It is put at a particular point, and there is a reason behind marking those lines to indicate that particular point. Today there were large institutional sellers, and this is one more smart money here. All these gaps are created by smart money people only. Ordinary retailers cannot create gaps. You can see the clustered sell orders displayed a significant sell side imbalances. You can see the numbers. That is the COT and the COT ratio, as I mentioned. The first candle had 1700. It dropped to 390. It went to 5. And this is the deciding candle and the pattern changing candle. Usually it comes like this in the N pattern. The rebounds can be 25% to 50%. If it goes above 50%, probably it will go in the same direction. So it did not cross the midpoint of this candle and it went like this and reversed. That was very strong and sharp decline was there. You can see the COT 4,600 on the selling side, and buy side it was only 2,200. You can see the stop loss hunting here. This is called stop loss hunting. 3,000 orders were hit at 3,000 lots were hit, and the market bounced back again, and again it came down. Although the candle moves up and down, the closing of the candle is very important than any part of the candle. The opening is not very important. The closing is important in the particular candle. As you see, we keep the candlestick charts only for a generalized view. For in-depth view, we use order flow analysis only. Order flow analysis is the only chart which will give us in-depth insight. You can use any order flow, but there should not be any lag, and even the split second counts in options trading. In options trading. Sorry, I had a call, and now the market is moving sideways. There were large sell orders, as you can see, there were large sell orders pushing the market consistently down. You can see the orders here. The orders were pushing the market consistently down, supported with the delta, supported with COT, supported with COT ratio. You can see the COT ratio here 28, but here it is only 0.4, indicating that the market will not go up. Again, the next candle 1800 was there. So you can take a position either in the third candle or in the fourth candle. You cannot exactly take the position here and exit wherever the market makes a low. It is highly impossible. So we will wait for the first candle. We never took a trade. I never take a trade like this in the first candle usually, but I would have taken a trade here in the third candle because of the formation of the V pattern, which will be followed by N pattern. And next also you can see the cart on the selling side increased, and you can see the cart on the buying side decreased from 2000 to 17, 164, 151, 163. Whereas you see on the selling side 4,400, next one is 440, next one is 1,800, next one is 5,300, next one is 1,500. So these are all strong numbers which indicate there is a consistent buying by selling by the big players. Although there was a little bit of reloading here, it never mattered because it was overthrown by the sellers. There was an immense large number of sellers than the buyers. You can see the cart here 131 and 900. So cart ratio is 7 versus 0.14. So you can also see the cart ratio here 2800, and this is the point where you can change the direction. You have to keep watching if a doji kind of candle is formed and what the cart indicates. See here it is minus, delta is minus 2500. Here it came down to minus 74. This is the candle where you have to exit the trade. You cannot exactly exit the trade here. It is highly impossible, and you can watch the next candle for a swing trade, not scalping. You can watch the next candle for a swing trade. And after that, just some 100, 150 points rebound was there. Some 150 point rebound was there in this 15-minute time frame. The candle, each candle is 5 minutes. I am talking about 3 candles here. These 3 candles, and the line what I have marked is very important, and it is very playing a real role. I will tell you when and how to mark those lines so that it will act as resistance and support. So from then on, it has been going on sideways to in a downward bias. The cumulative delta turned sharply negative. The cumulative delta, what you see here, turned sharply negative from yesterday. The cumulative delta was 1000 plus yesterday, and today it was all of a sudden reduced to minus 20,000. So the cumulative delta led to a cascading effect, and the whole the market fell like a pack of cards. And usually also keep in mind, when there is a fall like this, there are either 7 candles or 9 candles which regularly go on the which follow each other on a particular direction. After that, there will be an absorption trading here, and the market will try to reverse. And this also involved a little bit of panic selling after this point. Here there was that kind of trying to push back, but it did not sustain. So there was a cascading effect and a kind of panic selling, and here there was a little bit of absorption. Although it didn't continue to fall, it went up like this and again was trending downwards. By the end of the day, it could hit this point 50,900, and if it closes below 51,000, it is a very crucial point. It might fall furthermore, and we will talk about it in the next class or in my next video. But for now, if you have any questions, kindly post in the comments, and I will be happy to answer. Kindly like the video so that it will reach more people, and subscribe and press the bell button so that you will be intimated when I post a video. Please consider supporting the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We also have offline and online classes. Online classes are I'm not ready as such for the online classes, but we are planning for offline classes in Bangalore, Tata Nagar. So if you guys are interested to join the course, you can register by paying a small fees, and you can call 8762963618. So you can call at this number and find out. We at Prahana Trading Hub and Academy will be happy to help you. Okay guys, thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video. Come back tomorrow, the next trading session, for a live session on Monday probably. I will be there by 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.